56. The same tricks as before, but there's this one question here says check if it's reasonable. If you annotate the question, it says here subtract and then check if reasonable. You must show working. So I'll show you a bit of understanding of what do you mean by checking if it's reasonable. For example, I have this B, same thing as previous. Operation, correct. Thank you, Kauran. So before we get there, let's just do the subtraction first. A line, decimal point, a line place value, operation. 60.9 subtract 9.46. Now, there's a problem here. Yeah, at the hundreds place, there's nothing here. So I can, at this place, I can help myself by adding in a zero. Like 90 cent, I put in a zero. Then I can do the operation with greater ease, regroup, as how I will do for whole number. Just like I do for whole numbers. Okay? Now, what how Ryan is saying is that, okay, I can do an approximation. I already run rounding, so I can do for the nearest whole number. And 9.46 is around 9. So 61 minus 9 will be about, or even I can round it to 10, because it's the estimation. So it's about 52. Is that correct? So it looks close to 52, so it's reasonable. Can you understand that? So you kind of put it to the closest round number. I can even round it to, it's about 10. I estimate 61 minus 10, that's 51. So thereabouts the answer. But in the answer blank, you must write the exact number. Cannot be an approximation. Okay, moving on. Now, these two questions. So the difficult question comes where one number has a decimal point and another number doesn't. If in this case, you're not careful, a lot of people may just make the mistake here, which is bad, a very bad mistake. So always remember first step, align decimal point, write in the operation. Sometimes use money to help you. $73.25 minus $7. Kind of like the idea. Add in the zeros. And I can also do approximation. It's like 73 minus 7. That's about 66. Okay? Is this correct? And the last one here. Again, always have the decimal point. Okay, decimal point operation, $36. Add in the zeros to help. Subtract $7.35. Do my regrouping as how I would do any usual whole number. Is this okay? Can So I'll stop share here. You work on the rest on your own. This is page 56. Subtraction of decimals.